Head artist for Bill Arman here from the West Coast. Actually, I'm in Kentucky now at the Equip Show, and we're going to ask people on the floor here at the Equip Show 3 different questions. First one's going to be, how are you moving from gas to electric equipment, right? So what's your movement to battery-operated equipment? What's that look like, where your status is, and what you're doing on that? Second question, we're going to ask about AI. Where are you using AI now, and where are you using it, and how's it helping your business? That's the second question. The third question is, what's going on out there? I'm going to be on the state of the industry with Lawn and Landscape Magazine on December 16th, and so I'm starting to do some research on that. So listen closely, he's got some great answers here for you.
Well, from our perspective, the residential service industry is lawn care, pest control is strong. It is growing, and I think it's very healthy. One of the interesting things is what's happening with the private equity stuff involved in our line of business, lawn care particularly, and I think that's going to continue to grow and be more of an influence in the industry. More private equity companies are going to be involved, so there could be more opportunities for companies who may be wanting to join up with a strong team.
Yeah, there you go. And, recurring revenue is really what it's all about, isn't it?
Recurring revenue is what it's all about.
That's golden, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is our 4th year.
4th year?
Yep.
So how's your business going?
Good.
Is there do you have a backlog right now? You have a good stream of revenue?
Yeah, I would say a little slower than I would think, but only on bigger stuff. I would say we're not selling the big ticket items as much.
So you go to smaller stuff?
Yeah, smaller stuff, fine.
What's the smaller stuff? What?
Anything under 1,200, 1,500, I would say. Maintenance items, but
Well,
anything.
enhancements?
Any project-based stuff is kind of slow right now, I would say. People are a little hesitant.
So you're going in the wintertime too. Does that slow down at all for you guys?
We do snow, so. And
You do snow?
we do snow removal.
Snow is dough. Harvester
Yeah.
Ed tells me that all the time. Isn't that true?
We do snow. Snow is ruthless, I would say.
Oh, it's pretty tough, huh?
Yeah, but the money's good, so.
Good money, huh?
Yeah.
So this is overall, like if you give the 1 to 5 would be outstanding, 4 is pretty good, 3 pretty average. What would you rate it?
I'd say like 3.5. Right
3.5.
now. Yeah,
So it's not
somewhere.
fantastic, but you're chugging
I'm
along.
happy. I'm happy. I'm here. I'm able to be here, so you know.
Happy and here is a good place to
Yeah.
be.
It's been the most challenging year. I'm in my 20th anniversary this year with Lifescape. Lifescape is 50 years old this year.
That's right.
And so I've been with it for 20. This is by far the hardest year we've ever had.
Really? Why is that?
We were at $3 million when I bought the company 20 years ago, and we'll end the year at $37 million. Now we were.
Wait a minute, 3 to 37 million.
Yes.
That's pretty good, pal.
A little bit more than 12.
Yeah, no kidding. Wow.
And so we were 100% design build when I bought the company.
I remember that.
Yep. And then you helped start. Do you remember what year?
Gosh, I can't remember what I did yesterday, Michael.
No. There's a wine bottle
Oh,
in
that
the
does say
wine
that.
cellar.
Is that 2000?
2011.
2011.
Yes.
You had to surpass a certain gross margin level, and then you were going to invite me up there to maybe consume it.
Yes.
And you did.
We did.
Yeah.
And so we have now surpassed, so we're 0% maintenance, and this year is the first year we're over 50%. We're 53% maintenance this year.
So maintenance is bigger than construction. Construction's
Yes.
down some.
Construction is down 18% this year.
So down construction, up maintenance.
Yes.
Now, why is that in the construction side?
It's just the uncertainty out there that exists, I guess, across the country right now.
Yeah.
And I really do believe that that's thawing out. We saw it happen the third week of July, that the lead inflow really picked up. That's been translating into sales then in September and October. So our backlog going into the year is going to be strong. 26, I think, is finally our stabilization year in design build. And 27, I think, is going to be off the charts.
Great. So what's the top 1, 2, or 3 things you'll be focusing on 2026?
Maintenance, maintenance, maintenance.
Congratulations. That didn't take me very long to get you to learn how to spell maintenance.
Right now, we are in the middle. We just opened a new branch about 30 minutes south of us.
Okay.
And we're working our way into a new community down there. So for our company, I think we're probably looking at about an 8. Yes,
Excellent.
I think
Excellent.
we're going to see a lot of growth in the next year. We've hired multiple new designers. So we have the people out there selling work. And as long as we can bring the people in to do the work, I think we're going to do very well next year.
Fantastic. So
Yep.
you don't think the economy is going to affect you that much?
I don't think so. No, we live very close to a bunch of very affluent neighborhoods. So
And you're a
we're lucky.
residential contractor?
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, we do commercial as well, but mostly residential maintenance and install.
Awesome. Yeah.